In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send resume in Gmail. By the end, you'll confidently attach your resume and send a clean, professional email without missing any details. First, open Gmail. You can do this in your web browser or the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. It helps to have your resume file saved and ready on your device before you begin, ideally as a PDF to preserve formatting across different computers. Next, click Compose. This opens a new message window where you'll put everything together. If the window is small, you can expand it to see more clearly while you work. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. Type carefully and double-check for typos, because a small mistake could send your application to the wrong place or cause it to bounce back. If the employer provided a specific inbox, use that exact address. Now add your subject line. Keep it professional and clear, for example, resume application. You can also include the job title to help the recipient immediately recognize your message in a busy inbox. A concise, descriptive subject line increases the chance your email is opened quickly. Click the paperclip icon to attach your resume. You'll find it along the bottom of the Compose window. This opens a file picker where you can browse your computer or device. Select your resume file in PDF or Word format. PDF is usually best for preserving layout, while Word is sometimes requested by applicant tracking systems. Make sure the file name looks professional, something like first name, last name, resume, and that it's the latest version. Also, keep in mind Gmail's typical attachment limit. If your file is large, consider reducing its size before attaching. Click Open to add the file to your email. Wait a moment for the upload to finish. You should see the attachment appear below the subject line. Take a quick look to confirm it's the correct file before moving on. Type your message in the body of the email. This is optional but recommended. Keep it brief and polite. Mention the position you're applying for, note that your resume is attached, and add a line of thanks. You can include concise contact details if needed. Before sending, proofread for clarity, tone, and any typos. Finally, click Send. Give Gmail a second to process, and you're done. If you spot a quick mistake immediately after, look for the brief undo option that appears and make your correction. That's it. You've opened Gmail, composed your message, attached your resume, and sent it professionally.